Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a super cute snow globe. So I grabbed one of these snow globes from Dollar Tree. It's just one of the wooden decor pieces. Some of these half plastic ornaments from Hobby Lobby. These are in the plastic and metal and glass section of Hobby Lobby. Those are the ones that fit, the Christmas ones do not. Some glitter snowballs from Hobby Lobby. Some of this tree trim in the mini tree section from Hobby Lobby. A mini tree from Dollar Tree. Some ribbon and some fake snow. Some white chalk paint. Some black acrylic paint and some metallic silver acrylic paint. And I also used a black button. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the twine that was on the snow globe off and sand it down. Then I'm going to give the whole thing a nice coat of the white chalk paint. And I even did the sides. And then at the bottom of it, I'm going to take the black paint and paint just the bottom, which is the stand of the snow globe. So the top is going to be white, the bottom is going to be black, and then I'm going to take some of that metallic silver, and I'm going to kind of dry brush some over the black to make it look like it's a silvery color. Next, I'm going to take 3 of those glitter snowballs, and I'm going to glue them together in the shape of a snowman. Once these were all dry and I had my little snowman shape, I'm going to take some of that red ribbon and I just tied it around his neck for his little scarf, and then I hot glued one of the ends of it down to make sure that it wasn't sticking out. Once I had him all glued and he was dry, I'm just going to start figuring out the placement of him on here. So I just kind of set him down, and then I'm going to take my plastic ornament and lay it over just to make sure that I'm getting him in the right spot when I go to glue him down. Now I did cut off the little hanger from the plastic ornament. I just used a pair of snips to do that. And I'm going to kind of adjust where I want him, and then I'm going to add my little tree, see where I want both of those. Then I'm going to hot glue them into place. Now I'm going to add a little bit of the fake snow to half of my plastic ornament. And then I am going to use some Elmer's glue to run around the edge of my plastic ornament. And then a tad bit of hot glue. And then I'm going to hold my ornament up. And then I'm going to attach the plastic globe so that the snow doesn't go everywhere. So as you can see, I kind of lay it on there, hold it for a second, and shake my snow down to the bottom. Once I feel like it's bonded well enough, I'm going to take some of that tree trim that I got in the miniatures section of Hobby Lobby. This is where all the mini trees are. I'm just going to wrap a piece of that around. My globe did not go all the way around, so there was quite a bit of an edge that was left. So this is going to fill that space and also just add sort of a vintage touch to it. So I'm just going to hot glue that into place and then trim it. And this trim will also help to hold the globe on. So now that I have that all hot glued on, and look how cute that is, so adorable, I'm going to take some of my red ribbon and I'm going to wrap a bow around the bottom. I'm just going to do a simple bow, and then I'm going to hot glue a button to the center of it. I think this project turned out super cute. It was super easy. It wasn't really all that expensive to make. And with the supplies that you do buy for it, you can make several of them. And I think I might just do that, adding different things every single time to the inside of the snow globe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this project. Please don't forget to spread the chaos.